I welcomed a very special guest in my studio. Our son Jack, who is 11 years old, had a school assignment and was my colleague for a day. As you know, my studio is well equipped and he could choose his favorite subject: metalsmithing, 3D printing, stained glass, or working on the laser, and he chose the latter. He came up with a layer design in wood. He drew his design on 4 different pieces of paper and transferred these images to the computer. With some photoshopping, note to self, don't draw on graph paper, he was ready to upload his designs in Lightburn. Lightburn is a great program that you can use to operate a laser such as my CO2 laser. And as you can see, even an 11-year-old can use this program. After tweaking the design and pay some extra attention to these hands showing off for YouTube, Jack could insert the cutting and engraving parameters in Lightburn, and we finally had it out to the laser. And it's always a great moment to turn this machine on. We are using the Munport 100 watts CO2 laser, and I have made a lot of great stuff with this one. Jack chose his material, loaded it into the machine, and set it at the correct height. At this point, all that there was left to do was press play, wait, and pray for the laser gods that everything goes right the first attempt. And just take a look here. All the cutting lines are cut in one single pass. The engravings are looking nice, and I am very, very proud of Jack's idea and execution. How cool to design something and watch it come to life. It was a great day and we had a lot of fun together. The only thing I am disappointed in is that he can't come to work with me more often. So that's it for today. I hope you enjoyed this video and please give a shout out to my son for his awesome work. Jack, I am very, very proud of you as always.